想食嘢嘅時候，冇嘢好得過嚟 Big Taste 火鍋打邊爐，嘆下我哋嘅蒙古火鍋，為你嘅生活添上熱辣辣嘅感覺，灼煮食Big Taste 火鍋。
阿慧啊，過嚟啊嚇！唔好放喺度啊嚇，凍晒啦！點解你嘥太時間啊？你知啊，我 Winston 咧就係同 Peggy 結婚噶啦。
Yeah, he mentioned it the other day. Congratulations.
梗係啦，到時間啦嚇。阿 Peggy 咧就係想準備啲婚禮，咁佢又唔叫 Winston，我會揾人車佢。咁你啊唔介意啦嘛嚇
No problem at all, Mrs. Chu.
好，咁就好啦。走啦，唔該晒啊！我要多啲雞，你哋攞多啲雞俾我啊！嚇，咪企喺度傻。
Hello, Wei. Thanks for driving me around.
Yeah, no problem. So, where are we going?
The flower shop. I still have to pick the color I want. You won't believe how much work it is to get ready for a wedding. We've been planning for 8 months now, and there's still so much to be done.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
It better be perfect. My wedding has to be perfect. So, Wei, do you have a girlfriend?
Here we are.
So good to see you again. Welcome.
I'm here to finalize the details of the flower arrangement.
Yes.
I'm just the driver.
I'm just gonna change back and then we'll be done. Actually, there is one other thing. Black orchids. This probably sounds silly, but it was my mother's favorite flower, and now that she's gone, I was thinking that I'd love to have a black orchid centerpiece.
I'm afraid that's impossible. There are none to be found in Hong Kong.
Really? Well, I thought they had some down at the Garden Temple.
Well, yes, but they're not for sale. The other day, the CEO of Old Boy Trading wanted one for his daughter. He told them they offered Temple $100,000. They still say no. It's incredible, no?
A black orchid at a wedding guarantees that the couple stays together for the rest of their lives. Oh well, Wei, come on. We can go now. Next, we need to pick up the wedding cake.
So you got a cake picked out.
想转身却忍不住看。
Hey, isn't that a van from the wedding cake company?
Hang on.
What are you doing?
The guy had the wrong address. Winston asked me to make sure the cake was delivered.
He's so thoughtful. Wait, slow down!
Peggy, if we don't catch that van, you won't have your special cake at your wedding.
What? Fast, go fast! Don't scratch the paint!
Here, take the wheel.
Careful, don't hurt my cake!
Don't worry.
Get that van! Go! You can do it! Are you trying? Get it closer! Jump! Get him! I'll follow you!